Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a popular food item for the Chinese New Year, the Hong Kong style radish cake. The full recipe is in the description underneath the video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for a recipe of other yummy food. Here is the rice flour, which you may find in most Asian grocery stores, and cornstarch, dried shrimps, salt, sugar, and pepper for seasonings, Chinese preserved pork and sausage. Here is the Canadian brand of Chinese pork and sausage I prefer to use. Soak dried shrimps in water for 10 minutes. Peel and grate radish. I recommend wearing gloves to prevent cutting your fingers while grating. Here is the size of holes I use for grating. Boil a pot of water, then blanch the pork first for 30 seconds. Add the sausages, then blanch together for another 30 seconds. Remove the Chinese pork and sausages from water. Cut the dried shrimps into tiny pieces. Then dice the Chinese sausages and pork into tiny pieces as well. Heat up the pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add the diced meat in and saute briefly until fragrant under medium heat. Scoop out the meat. Use the oil left inside the pan to saute the radish. Add seasonings. Saute and cover with lid. When the radish starts to boil, turn to medium-low heat. Cook for about 5 minutes until the radish becomes translucent. This process is to remove the bitterness inside the radish. Drain out about half a cup of the radish water. Mix the cornstarch and rice flour together. Add the cold water first and mix well. Then add the radish water to mix into a smooth paste. Add the cooked radish in. Mix well. Then add the diced meat. Mix well. Pour into loaf pans. Press to smooth out the top. Then steam for 35 minutes. Remove from steaming and let the radish cakes cool down. Remove the cake from the loaf pan. Cut the cakes into slices. Heat up the pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. At medium-low heat, pan fry the radish cakes until golden. The yummy Hong Kong-style radish cake is now ready to serve. Enjoy! Homemade radish cake can be kept in fridge for up to 1 week.